Hello everyone, welcome back to Hook It. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet this cute and stylish mesh headband. Now, this is a quick and beginner-friendly project that you can finish in under 30 minutes. So, grab your yarn and let's get started. For this project, we'll be needing a yarn of your choice, scissors. I'll also be using a 4mm crochet hook and a darning needle for weaving in the ends. We'll start by making a slip knot, and after that make 52 chains. Once you're done making your chains, make a double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. So you're going to count 5 stitches, and then on the 6th chain make a double crochet. We're going to chain 1, skip the next chain, and then make a double crochet in the following chain. Now let's do that one more time. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, and make a double crochet in the next chain. This chain 1, skip 1 pattern is what creates the mesh effect. So continue repeating this pattern all the way across the row, and I'll meet you at the end. To begin the next row, we're going to chain 4 and then turn our hook. Now, we're going to skip the first chain space and make a double crochet on top of the previous one. Then, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and make another double crochet in the next stitch. Then chain 1, skip 1 chain, and make another double crochet in the next stitch. So once again, it is chain 1, skip 1, and make a double crochet into the next double crochet across the row. Now continue repeating this pattern until you reach the end of the row, and I'll meet you there. Now to move to the next row, we are going to chain up 4 and then we repeat exactly what we did in row 2. Now skip 1 chain and then make a double crochet on top of the double crochet from the previous row. Now we're going to continue working the chain 1, skip 1 and make a double crochet pattern across the row. Keep repeating this pattern until you have a total of 4 rows. Once you've completed your 4th row, we can now move to the strap. To start the strap, we're going to make a slip stitch to the side of the headband. Then we're going to chain 3 and make a double crochet into that same space. Now we are going to move into the next space and make 2 double crochets. Then we're going to place 2 double crochets into each of the next 2 openings. To move to the next row, we're going to chain up 3 and then turn our work, and then we're going to make a double crochet 2 together. To do this, we're going to yarn over, then insert your hook into the next stitch. Then yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. Now move to the next stitch, yarn over and insert your hook into that stitch. Then yarn over again and pass it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pass the hook through all 3 loops. Then work 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. After that, make another double crochet 2 together. And finally, place a double crochet into the turning stitch. Now, to move to the next row, you're going to chain up 3 and then turn your work. Now we're going to make a double crochet 2 together in the next stitch. Then we're going to make another double crochet 2 together, and then finally finish the row by placing a double crochet into the last chain 3 stitch. Now for 3, we're going to chain 3 and turn our work, and then we're going to make a double crochet 2 together, and then place a double crochet into the last stitch. Now we're going to chain 40, and this will be the part where you can tie your headband around your head. Now when you're done with that, you can leave the strap as it is, but if you like your strap to be a little sturdier, you can take slip stitches all the way back along the chain, just like how I'm doing here. Now, once you've reached the end, you're going to cut out your yarn . Now, you're going to attach your yarn to the opposite side of the headband and repeat the exact same process to create the second strap. And there you have it. Your mesh headband is complete. I honestly love how lightweight and versatile this design is, and it is such a fun project, so I really love for you to make it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more beginner friendly crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification so that you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.